Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick to recovering your forgotten Instagram password. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and present Google. Select your email. Present manage your Google account. Go to security. Scroll down. Present password manager. Now present instagram.com. Enter your screen lock. Here it is. So this is the simple trick to recovering your forgotten Instagram password. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.